personal computers and the internet to let better trades help them finally profit in the stock market. Isn't it time you did too? All you have to do is call right now and reserve your seat to the free Financial Freedom Expo. Come on down to the Financial Freedom Expo coming to your area and see for yourself how powerful better trades really is.
Tabarnak de colis. Check ça! Check ça! Hey, yeah! On va faire
It's not too forte.
Oi! Come back!